So there is greenness on the market yet again, but it's no surprise because this is what I tweeted on the 22nd of December. And I said, this dip is different. I'm going to buy this dip. Now, please be alert. This is the first time I have turned bullish since I called the end of the bull market on October 17th. So I said, this dip is going to come. We have a pullback, and then from there, a reversal. And this is where I'm going to buy in heavy. That is exactly what happened. We had the reversal. We had the higher time frame, and then we had the pump yesterday. Now, the question, what is going to happen? Very important. I gave you all these trades in the community. It's free. Link in the description if you want to trade like these. All of these trades are in massive profits, so you can take profit if you want. But if you want to find out what I'm going to do, stick around till the video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Fefe, and I've been in crypto since 2016. I do these 5 to 10 minute market updates so you can navigate the market like I do and make trades like these. The community is there as well. It's completely free for now. You can join in so I can share these trades with you that can yield these results, and of course subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Okay, let's get going. Yesterday on the show I actually drafted this. I said that we are going to push into this 3 trillion mark, have a little bit of a pullback consolidation, and then move on from there. That is exactly what is playing out right now. Okay, very important as well, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrencies is risky. Always do your own research. But this is what is happening here, right? So what we're seeing here is that there is, sorry, I'm actually traveling and all that stuff, so this is why I don't have my normal setup, and I'm navigating here on this trackpad. But the whole idea is, this is what I drafted yesterday, that we are going to come up here and then have a little bit of consolidation and then move on from there. Again, just gonna pull this up here, but this is what I've been thinking yesterday, and this seems to be playing out. Now, a lot of people will be saying, oh, this is the rejection, and I said if we reject, we definitely reject from here because this was the major level, but the only way we would reject from here is if we have a wick above that level, because these are relative equal highs. Even considering this one, you need to have a wick and then a reversal. This would be the only way where I see the reversals happening. Otherwise, guys, again, if you have been following through, this is the way these are designed, so just come back every day and follow this. There is going to be a push, in my opinion, into the 3.22 trillion region. So we're going to be a little bit consolidating here and then push into this region. Potentially come back 50 here and then push onto this way. Or if I see a rejection, meaning a push here and then a market structure shift, I see an opportunity for us to come lower here. But ultimately, we still need to go back up to the daily OB. So very short because I have to leave. TLDR, 1. If you have been here, I'm very happy for you. These are the trades. Super cool. Join in the community. I'm updating on all the trades I do, by the way, so you can just see every time when I do something, I change something, I'll let you know there. And 2, I do believe that the reason why I'm not taking profits until I see either this or I see either this market structure shift and a push higher, because you always have to take you know, a lot of times what happens is that you cut profits too early, and I do believe that the setup is just way too good, builds up liquidity and a lot of things for us to start taking profits early. So I'm going to ride this out. Next stop is 3.1 trillion, and the next stop above that is 3.2. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to ride, and then I'll update you in the community. I'm going to be traveling again. I'm going to be flying. I'm going to be skiing, so it's going to be a little bit less, but here on YouTube, I'm definitely coming to you. And also, whenever something happens and I see it, I'm going to drop it here in a Telegram with the normal updates. I've taken a monad long as well. Monad long, like if you look at this monad long from yesterday, monad, it's up 55%. Okay, guys, truly appreciate you. I'll see you next one. Check out this video. It's going to be, I don't know what's going to be. Maybe I'm not going to put up a video. I don't know. We'll see. Check it out.